Okay, welcome to this training video for the Saliva Twist oral fluid or saliva drug testing kit. This is a 6-drug test panel that screens for cocaine, methamphetamine, PCP, cannabis, opiates and amphetamine. The format as shown here when you if you buy a full pack, that is an Instalert data sheet which basically runs you through all cross-reactivity and procedural elements. And then the actual test cassette and saliva collector is a standard saliva collector, which is sponge on a stick, comes individually cellophaned. The swab, when it comes out, is extremely firm and rigid. There's no give in that at all. It's nicely adherent onto the handle. And this is the actual test cassette. Now this is a twist device, so the lid comes off. The swab, once it's saturated, gets discharged into the barrel here. And then it's a matter of rotating or twisting the device between the two 90-degree settings with a firm click to feed the saliva onto the two membranes. Now that is the mechanism. You'll see on here that you have two membranes, each with 3 drug areas and a control line, an area on the cassette for the ID and date to be applied as well. So the procedure for this test is to give the donor the swab on a stick to completely saturate with saliva. This will normally take about 3 minutes, and then at that stage the saliva is discharged into the cassette, and the cassette rotated through the two 90-degree angles to run saliva onto the two membranes. So in part 2 we're going to demonstrate that with a wet swab.